CampBrood. I have a little repair item today, and I'm talking to you about it because it's really hard to find this on Amazon. There's really not a good name for it. So I'm going to climb up onto the motorhome and show you what I have. This trim piece fell off, and you can see a little bit of it right there. But for whatever reason, these shrink, and they just happen to fall off as you're driving down the road, and I had to cut mine. I actually got it caught here on the slide out when I was extending my slide out earlier today, and so it broke, and just need to repair it. And I wanted to show you the old part, which is this, and the new part, which is that. It looks a lot different. So when you're trying to search for it on the internet, that and that don't really look the same, and it can be confusing. But this will shape into this. This is the vinyl insert trim, or insert molding trim screw cover. Alright, so here I am on the roof, or on the ladder. Just kind of clean this out because there's dirt. It doesn't have to be perfect. And actually mine looks really good because this happened a few days ago, and I'm just going to get it taken care of because I had the part in the garage because I bought, I don't know, about 100 feet because I knew this was going to be a problem because I lost the passenger side last year. So all you got to do is put this in and just fit it under, just like that. And you can be really good and clean all that up and die core it, but I just don't want any additional leaks. So I'm just going to tuck it right in underneath. And I can't really do this two-handed very well. So what I'm going to do is pause right here, go all the way down the coach, and I'll show you how I finish it off. So really it is just the monotony of putting this in just like this and just working all the way down the motorhome a few inches at a time. Really an easy repair, not that difficult to do. As you can see, it only took me about 5 minutes and maybe 10, and I'm already down to the end. Also, I'm pretty proud of this. This is where we've traveled so far. The brood and I, 2 dogs, hamster, my 3 kids and my wife. It's been a lot of fun. So we'll talk more about that as our website and Twitter and blog and all that stuff kind of grow. We'll give you some more understanding of our experiences to share so that we can help you as well with your next experience. So you can see there's a little more dirt there, so just wipe it off. Here's the strip, and what I found is I've been working on it. I'd rather start with the bottom and work my way in, but it looks like either way is fine. And you see it goes in real easy. Oh, sorry. Video wasn't doing real well there, was it? Alright, so get a little more out. I chose black. They don't have a chocolate, so I just chose black, and you can tell it's not perfect, but boy is it darn close. And I really haven't had a problem with the other one, and I'll show you the other one here in a minute. So what I'm going to do, I grew up in the days of MacGyver, so I have my Swiss Army knife. I'm just going to pull the scissors out and trim a little bit right here. That's it. So then, again, I'm working one-handed, so forgive me. I'm just going to tuck that right in there, and it's good. On the passenger side now, and you can see I installed this last year, and again, still looks pretty good, all lined up behind the awning, no problems. It's doing what it's supposed to do, but it shrunk. It shrunk about 1 inch on the back, and it shrunk about 1 inch on the front. And my guess is I don't know, I did it last year on a cooler day and I still struggled. I mean, I didn't struggle, I just put it in there like I thought I should. And now a year later it's shrunk about an inch on the front and the back. They must glue it in here at the factory when they install it, so that's one recommendation. But honestly, I don't think it's a big deal. I think this truly is just a trim piece. Maybe somebody else knows better. My RV hasn't gotten wet. I haven't seen any concerns there. So I don't feel it has to be watertight. And just wanted to share my experience, share our experiences with you so that maybe someday if you have similar problems you can choose to do this yourself or take it in and have somebody do it for you. But thanks so much for watching and have a great day.